The Adiyogi Shiva statue in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India, is an extraordinary fusion of art, spirituality, and culture, standing tall at approximately 112 feet. It is recognized by the Guinness World Records as the largest bust sculpture in the world. The statue weighs around 500 tons. Its height, 112 feet, symbolizes the 112 possibilities to attain to moksha, which means liberation, that are mentioned in yogic culture, and also the 112 chakras in the human system. Adiyogi was inaugurated on February 24, 2017 by the Prime Minister of India, Sree Narendra Modi, on the occasion of Maha Shivaratri. It is not just a statue but a profound representation of Lord Shiva in his role as the Adiyogi, or the first yogi, who bestowed the gift of yoga upon humanity. This iconic sculpture, located within the serene and picturesque Isha Yoga Center, is the brainchild of Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev, the founder of the Isha Foundation. The word Isha means the formless divine. The foundation is run almost entirely by volunteers. The Adiyogi statue is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and devotion. It portrays Lord Shiva in a meditative pose, seated in Padmasana, lotus position, with his distinctive matted hair cascading down to the ground. The significance of the Adiyogi Shiva statue extends beyond its remarkable aesthetics. It serves as a symbol of inspiration and spiritual exploration, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. The Indian Ministry of Tourism has included the statue in its official Incredible India Tourism campaign. Isha Foundation plans to set up 3 more statues of similar height across the country. The Adiyogi statue is not merely a work of art but a reminder of the ancient wisdom encapsulated in yoga. It serves as a testament to the rich heritage and spiritual legacy of India. Here, amid the tranquility of the Veliangiri Mountains, visitors find a place for reflection, meditation, and self-discovery. Adiyogi Light Show is a spectacular audiovisual experience that is offered daily at 7 p.m. at Adiyogi Shiva statues. It is completely free and open for everyone. Adiyogi Divya Darshanam is a 14-minute light and sound show, projected upon the Adiyogi statue. In 2020, it won the Mondo * Dr. EMEA and APAC Award for Technology in Entertainment in the House of Worship category. The Adiyogi Shiva statue is a symbol of unity, transcending religious and cultural boundaries. It represents the universality of yoga, a path to self-realization and inner peace. Visitors of all backgrounds and beliefs come here to connect with their inner selves and explore the profound teachings of yoga. The consecration of the Adiyogi statue in February 2017 marked a momentous occasion. It was attended by thousands of people, including political leaders, spiritual leaders, and luminaries from various fields. The event was a celebration of the human spirit's quest for transcendence and the role of yoga in this journey. In conclusion, the Adiyogi Shiva statue in Coimbatore is a monumental work of art and spirituality that transcends physical dimensions. It stands as a testament to the profound teachings of yoga and the eternal wisdom of Lord Shiva. This iconic statue, situated in the heart of the Isha Yoga Center, continues to inspire and transform the lives of countless individuals who seek the path of self-realization and inner peace. It is a symbol of unity, harmony, and the timeless quest for spiritual awakening. Here we are presenting some beautiful aerial view of this huge beauty. Please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.